Hello everyone, I'm Dory O'Neill, and today we're diving into why creating a YouTube channel is one of the most effective strategies for gaining SEO benefits. If you're looking to enhance your affiliate marketing efforts and attract a steady stream of leads, then you'll want to stick around. Let's uncover how your channel can be a powerful tool in driving traffic to your master affiliate profits venture. Segment 1, the power of YouTube for SEO. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, just behind Google. When you create a YouTube channel, you're tapping into a vast audience eager for content. This platform allows you to optimize your videos with keywords, descriptions, and tags that can rank your content higher in search results, bringing more visibility to your brand and your affiliate links. A well-structured YouTube channel can help direct viewers straight to my YouTube Viral Funnel bonus. This funnel is designed to educate potential leads about MAP, showcasing the features and benefits that make joining an easy decision. By effectively directing traffic to this funnel, you can not only increase your leads, but also boost enrollments in the Master Affiliate Profits program. Segment 2, YouTube Viral Funnel bonus for MAP members. Now let's talk about the exclusive bonus available for paid MAP members. When you join my team, you gain access to a done-for-you YouTube viral funnel. This funnel is equipped with engaging videos and automated email sequences that nurture your leads, guiding them through the enrollment process effortlessly. It's not just a tool, it's a comprehensive system that works for you even while you sleep. And remember, everyone enrolled in MAP receives free training on how to create their own Master Affiliate Profits YouTube channel. This training provides you with all the insights and strategies necessary to optimize your channel for maximum SEO impact. You don't have to be an expert, I'm here to walk you through it. Segment 3, Call to Action. If you're ready to take your affiliate marketing game to the next level with the MAP strategy, I urge you to leverage these resources. Start your journey by creating your YouTube channel and tap into the SEO benefits it brings. Don't miss out on the YouTube viral funnel, which can significantly increase your leads and enrollments. Visit yesshowme.com/map to enroll today and gain access to the exclusive bonuses awaiting you. Thank you for watching. If you have questions about creating your channel or the MAP program, leave them in the comments below. I'm here to support you, and your questions could help others on the same journey. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more valuable insights and tips. Let's embark on this journey together, and I'll see you in the next video.